The next exam has been delayed 4 times since it was introduced already. And when the next exam was deferred to 2028 recently, it didn't feel like a normal policy update. It felt emotional, divisive, and deeply personal for thousands of medical students. Because depending on who you are, this deferral means two very different things. For many Indian medical graduates, it brought relief, a sense of stability, time to breathe. But for FMGE students, it felt like history repeating itself, another promise of equality pushed further away. And to understand why this conversation has become so intense, we need to step back and look at both sides honestly, without labels, without slogans. So let us understand why NExT. The National Exit Test NExT was proposed as a one nation, one exam solution to address several fragmented issues in the Indian medical education system. Its primary goal is to standardize the quality of healthcare across the country by ensuring that every doctor, whether they graduated from a premier government institute in Delhi or a private college in a remote town, meets a uniform benchmark of clinical competency before being licensed to practice. Beyond licensing, NExT was designed to streamline the career path of medical students by replacing three separate high-stakes exams: the final MBBS university exam, the NEET PG entrance test, and the foreign medical graduate examination, with a single comprehensive assessment. By shifting the focus from rote memorization of theory to clinical decision-making and practical skills, the proposal aims to produce Indian medical graduates who are better equipped for real-world challenges of the healthcare system from day one. Now let us talk about how it has treated foreign medical graduates so far. For years now, FMG students have lived inside a system that is unforgiving by design. Every year, thousands of foreign medical graduates attempt the FMG exam, and year after year, the pass rate rarely crosses 20 to 30%. Sometimes it drops even lower. These are the students who have studied medicine for 5 to 6 years, completed internships, and still find themselves stuck at a single gate that refuses to open. What makes this harder to accept is the comparison. An Indian medical graduate, even from a college with limited exposure or resources, does not have to clear a separate licensing exam after MBBS. Their competency is assumed, their degree is trusted, but an FMG graduate must prove their competence again through one of the toughest screening exams in the country. That difference is what made NExT feel like hope. For the first time, there was the idea of one exam, one benchmark, and one system. No separate filters, no parallel standards. Just a single test that decided whether you are ready to practice medicine in India. So when NExT was announced and later deferred, FMG students didn't just see a date change, they saw equality being denied again. But here's where the story gets complicated, because Indian medical graduates were not opposing NExT because they wanted an easy system. They were opposing it because the system itself wasn't ready. NExT isn't just another exam added to the list. It completely changes how medicine is taught, learned, and assessed. It combines licensing and postgraduate eligibility into a single high-stakes test. That means everything from curriculum delivery to clinical exposure needs to be aligned. In my opinion, if NExT is truly meant to reform Indian medical education, a few things must be non-negotiable. Once implemented, there should be one licensing exam for everyone, without exceptions. Competency cannot depend on where you studied. Preparation must be centralized, not left to the mercy of individual colleges. Mock exams should be transparent, standardized, and accessible to FMG students as well, not just those inside Indian institutions. And most importantly, accountability must shift upward. If students from certain colleges consistently struggle, the question should not be why are the students weak? It should be why is this college producing underprepared graduates? Medicine is not a ranking sport, it's a responsibility, and responsibility demands fairness. If NExT becomes a tool that truly measures readiness, it could be the most important reform Indian medicine has seen in decades. But if it becomes just another gate, unequal, unclear, and inconsistently applied, it will only deepen the divide it was meant to erase. At the end of the day, patients don't care about your college, your country, or your category. They care about whether you are competent, confident, and safe. And that is the only standard that should matter.